Hi, great day in Chicago, Illinois. We are on Michigan Avenue. These great giant skyscraper buildings all over the place. Behind me, that's the Chicago Art Institute. People are all lining up to get inside. Today we're on Adams Street. This is our original Route 66 going westbound. It's in the 1950s. The original road is 1926. That was Jackson, one block south. And today we're going to talk about this building here, known as the Borg-Warner Building. In the late 1800s, this is the old Pullman Building, erected in 1884, 13 years after the Great Fire wiped out a whole bunch of luxury homes in this whole section of town. And to the left, we have the Palmer House Stables, a massive commercial boarding stable. Housed over 150 horses, made its own harnesses, and maintains dozens of luxury carriages. And then the Pullman here, well, is a handsome office apartment building, fireproof throughout, 169 feet along Adams, 120 feet on Michigan, and 9 stories standing over a basement, 125 feet tall. The Northwest Tower, it rose 162 feet above the street, ornamented with turrets, chimneys, and gables. It had mostly stores at the street level, along with a hotel tenant reception room, 4 passenger elevators. Above levels hosted 125 suites for offices and 75 luxurious apartments. On the top floor was a family restaurant. Steel construction frame, outside walls of granite, pressed brick and terracotta, served as the headquarters for the Pullman Palace Car Company. And after opening, the 4th floor became home to the military division of the SS Missouri. There's a steel-hulled Great Lakes passenger and freight steamer. Anyway, the Pullman lasted nearly 75 years, and that was torn down in 1958 and replaced with this giant, shiny silver structure, the Borg-Warner Building we have today, occupied by Borg-Warner Auto Parts on the top floor, and penthouse, securing a prominent naming rights to this building. 22 stories, 274-foot, international style office tower, clean grid layout, rectangular footprint, metal and glass curtain. It's one of the first buildings on Michigan here to move away from their traditional heavy masonry, limestone and bronze. Gives a more striking blue porcelain enamel glass sort of look on the exterior. A lot more modern. It seems out of place compared to the People's Gas Company building. Right here is an old guy and the new guy and all these beautiful old structures. We're going to head down Route 66, see if we find some pretty cool relics for us. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.